Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will show you how to fix DaVinci Resolve not opening in Windows. So first you will need to go to your display settings. You can either directly go to your settings or you can right click on your desktop and go to show more options and click on display settings. So here you need to go to your graphics under related settings and you will need to add your Resolve here. So find your DaVinci Resolve and add it here. Click on add, and after that it will be added here. Click on options and select the high performance preference and click on save. So after this, restart your computer. After you restart your computer, open your DaVinci Resolve, and that's all you need to do in order to fix DaVinci Resolve. That's all you need to do in order to fix DaVinci Resolve not opening in Windows. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.